Tucked into the lively northern zone of sunny beach on Bulgaria's Black Sea coast, Hotel Marvel has been quietly building a reputation as one of the more reliable all-inclusive choices in the area. After a full renovation completed in 2024, this four-star property has shed much of its older skin and emerged with a fresher look, modern interiors, and a renewed energy that recent guests have been quick to point out. Sitting just about 100 meters from the main beach, or roughly a 4-minute stroll if you take your time, the location alone gives it a strong starting hand. The hotel holds 360 rooms in total and runs on a family-friendly, all-inclusive model, which means most of what a traveler needs is bundled into the price. For working families, couples, and groups of friends looking to stretch their holiday budget, that kind of setup is hard to beat. The accommodation lineup at Hotel Marvel is built around 3 main categories, giving travelers a decent range without overwhelming them with choices. There are 323 double rooms which make up the bulk of the inventory, alongside 21 suites for those wanting a little extra breathing space, and 16 studios that tend to suit smaller groups or guests who like a more flexible layout. Following the 2024 renovation, guests have repeatedly described the rooms as spacious, modern, and very comfortable, with one reviewer named Stefan calling out the overall interior design as well thought out. The bathrooms are generally roomy and the toiletries have been noted as being of good quality, which is not something every mid-range hotel can claim. Beds and linens have also drawn praise, with several guests pointing out that they slept well throughout their stay. While a detailed official breakdown of square footage and per-room amenities is not publicly listed, the general picture painted by guests is consistent. Rooms come with the kind of features you would expect from a recently refreshed 4-star property, including air conditioning, modern furnishings, private bathrooms, and free Wi-Fi available throughout the building. The suites naturally offer more living space and tend to be popular with families who want a bit of separation between sleeping and lounging areas, while the studios appeal to those who prefer a more open setup. Since the hotel is not adults only and clearly leans into the family market, the rooms are designed to handle parents and children together without feeling cramped. Views vary depending on the floor and orientation, with some rooms catching glimpses of the pool area or the surrounding resort zone, which is a nice bonus when you throw open the curtains in the morning. When it comes to food and drink, Hotel Marvel keeps things straightforward but well covered, which is exactly what most all-inclusive guests are hoping for. The property has 2 main restaurants, both with summer terraces named Ambrosia and Bendita. These venues handle the breakfast, lunch, and dinner rotation, generally in a buffet style that gives guests plenty of variety across the week. Reviewers like Denitsa have called the food varied and delicious, and Caroline highlighted that the meals were not only tasty but also plentiful, which is high praise from someone who clearly knows their way around a buffet line. There have been occasional comments about food being lukewarm at times, and one guest noted that meals could have been hotter, so it is not a perfect record, but the overall sentiment leans firmly positive, especially since the renovation. On the drink side, the hotel runs a respectable spread of bars that keep guests refreshed throughout the day and well into the evening. The lobby bar offers a relaxed indoor spot for morning coffees or evening cocktails. The bar, simply named Marvel, serves as a central social hub, and the pool bar handles all the poolside thirst that the Bulgarian summer sun reliably produces. On top of that, there is a pastry shop for those with a sweet tooth and a snacks corner for guests who want to grab something quick between meals. With all-inclusive pricing covering most of the standard drink selection, guests do not have to keep one eye on their wallet every time they fancy a beer or a soft drink. It is the kind of setup that lets people genuinely relax, which is honestly the whole point of a beach holiday. The pool and beach offering is where Hotel Marvel really earns its keep, given its prime location. The outdoor pool is a generously sized space with a separate children's section, making it practical for families who want their kids splashing safely while the adults stretch out on a lounger nearby. Some guest descriptions of stays at the hotel have even mentioned water slides being part of the experience, which adds an extra layer of fun for younger visitors. Sun loungers and umbrellas surround the pool area, and the atmosphere tends to be lively without tipping over into chaos, helped by the regular animation team that keeps the energy up. For guests who prefer indoor swimming, there is also an indoor pool inside the wellness center, which is a welcome backup on any cooler or windier day. The beach itself is one of the property's strongest selling points and a major reason guests keep coming back. Hotel Marvel sits roughly 100 meters from Sunny Beach's famous golden stretch of sand, and the hotel offers a private beach area with free sunbeds and umbrellas for its guests. That little detail matters more than people realize, because on busy Bulgarian summer days, beach equipment can become a small battlefield, and having a guaranteed spot included in your stay takes a real weight off the shoulders. The water is generally calm and family-friendly along this stretch of coast, and the wider Sunny Beach area is famous for offering everything from jet skis and parasailing to banana boat rides for those who like a bit more adventure with their saltwater. Whether you want to lie still for 8 hours or chase waves on a rented board, this stretch of coast has you covered. Beyond the pool and the sea, Hotel Marvel keeps guests entertained with a solid lineup of activities that mix fitness, fun, and a bit of culture. The hotel has its own fitness center for guests who want to keep their workout routines going while on holiday, which is more common than you might think among travelers who do not want to fully derail their progress. Daily animation shows take place both during the day and in the evening, and reviewer Simona specifically called out how diverse and enjoyable these programs were. The animation team is a familiar fixture at Bulgarian resort hotels, organizing games, dance sessions, and group activities that pull people out of their loungers and into the social side of the holiday. For those who would rather explore than participate, the surrounding Sunny Beach area offers plenty of organized day trips, water sports rentals, and local excursions. Cultural and educational options come more from the surrounding region than from the hotel itself, but that is a fair trade-off given the location. With Nesebar Old Town just 6 kilometers away, guests can easily build a day around exploring one of the most historically rich spots on the entire Bulgarian coast. The reception staff at Hotel Marvel have been singled out in reviews for being helpful with recommendations on what to do, see, and where to go, with one anonymous Expedia guest saying the front desk team gave them some really good tips. That kind of guidance can completely change a holiday, especially for first-time visitors who do not know which excursions are worth the time and which are tourist traps. For families, the mix of in-house animation and easy access to nearby attractions hits a nice balance. Wellness is another area where Hotel Marvel punches above its weight for a 4-star all-inclusive property. The on-site spa and wellness center includes an indoor swimming pool, an indoor jacuzzi, a sauna, a Turkish bath, and a fitness area, alongside a menu of massages and therapy treatments. That is a fairly complete wellness package for a hotel at this price point, and it gives guests a proper alternative for the few hours when the sun is too strong or the weather decides not to cooperate. The sauna and Turkish bath in particular tend to be popular in the evenings when guests want to wind down after a long day on the beach. Massages can be booked through the spa and offer everything from quick stress relief sessions to longer, more indulgent treatments. For guests who like to keep their wellness routine simple, the indoor pool and jacuzzi combination is a quiet little escape from the busier outdoor scene. There is no specific mention of formal yoga programs or detox regimens, but with the fitness center available and the wider Sunny Beach area offering plenty of active options, anyone who wants to keep moving will find a way. The wellness facilities pair nicely with the lazy beach holiday lifestyle, giving guests the option to flip between full relaxation and a bit of self-care without ever leaving the property. It is exactly the kind of added value that makes an all-inclusive stay feel more complete and less like a budget compromise. Families with children will find that Hotel Marvel has put real thought into keeping younger guests entertained throughout the day. The dedicated children's section of the outdoor pool is one of the most practical features, allowing kids to swim safely in shallower water while parents keep watch from a nearby lounger. The animation team runs activities aimed at children during the day, including games, dances, and group fun that helps kids make friends and burn off energy. Evening animation also typically includes kid-friendly content earlier in the program before things shift toward adults later in the night. While a formal full kids club with set hours is not heavily detailed in the available information, the overall family orientation of the hotel is clear from the lineup of facilities and the consistent presence of families in guest reviews. The location also makes life easier for parents traveling with children. With the beach just a short, flat walk from the front door, there is no exhausting trek with floaties and beach toys in tow. Restaurants offer enough variety that even picky young eaters will find something they like, and the all-inclusive setup means parents are not constantly pulling out a wallet every time their child wants a snack or a drink. For families on a budget who still want a proper sun and sand holiday, this kind of setup is genuinely valuable. The surrounding area offers plenty of reasons to step away from the hotel grounds, even if only for a few hours. Sunny Beach itself, the main beach, is just 100 meters away and stretches for kilometers, lined with shops, casual eateries, and entertainment venues. Action Aquapark Sunny Beach is only about 1.9 kilometers from the hotel and is a fantastic option for a family day out, with slides and pools that will easily eat up half a day. Nesebar Old Town, sitting 6 kilometers down the coast, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site filled with ancient churches, cobblestone streets, and waterfront restaurants that feel a world away from the resort scene. For travelers wanting to see something quieter, the smaller resort of Sveti Vlaz is about 4 kilometers away and offers a more laid-back beach experience along with a marina to wander. Travelers arriving by air will land at Burgas Airport, located roughly 35 kilometers from the hotel, which usually translates to a transfer of around 40 to 50 minutes depending on traffic and the season. Shopping, dining, and nightlife are all within easy reach in Sunny Beach itself, and taxis or local buses make it simple to hop between the various attractions in the area. For a hotel whose locations score on Booking.com sits at a strong 9.0, all of this feels well-earned rather than exaggerated. Looking at Hotel Marvel as a complete package, the strengths clearly outweigh the weaker points, especially after the 2024 renovation reset the property's standards. With a Booking.com score of 8.2 from nearly 1,000 reviews, a 4.0 on TripAdvisor, and an 8.4 on Expedia, the consensus from guests is solidly positive. Cleanliness, comfort, helpful staff, and a great location keep coming up across all platforms, and standout team members like manager Nasco have even been named directly by happy guests. The food is generally praised as varied and delicious, though there have been occasional complaints about meals being lukewarm and elevators feeling slow during peak times. Older reviews from before the renovation paint a rougher picture, but the more recent feedback shows a clear and meaningful improvement. The standout points that set Hotel Marvel apart are easy to summarize. The fully renovated interiors give it a fresher feel than many older Sunny Beach competitors. The free private beach access with sunbeds and umbrellas removes a common holiday headache, and the combination of indoor and outdoor pools plus a full spa adds real value at the price point. Friendly, helpful staff and reliable all-inclusive dining round out the package nicely. While the hotel does not heavily market itself as a major events or conference venue, its large size and central resort location means small group bookings and family celebrations can certainly be accommodated through the on-site facilities. Some of the most memorable guest experiences come down to the small human moments rather than the big-ticket features. Reviewers have repeatedly mentioned reception staff going out of their way to share local tips, animation team members getting kids genuinely excited, and housekeeping keeping rooms spotless day after day. For a working-class traveler looking for sun, sea, decent food, and a comfortable bed without surprises on the bill, Hotel Marvel delivers exactly what it promises, and these days that is more than enough reason to book a stay. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.